Narito ngayon para sa espesyal na araw ng aming bunso na si Pauline. Alam kong marami sa inyo ang naglaan ng oras, effort at pagmamahal para makasama kami ngayong gabi. At sa totoo lang, sobrang appreciation ko ang nararamdaman ngayon. Thank you for making this moment even more meaningful. Pauline, 18 ka na. Dalaga na daw. Pero sa puso ko, ikaw pa rin yung baby ko. Pero tonight, I see you not just as my daughter, but as a young woman, blooming in her own beautiful, unique way. Alam kong hindi naging madali ang journey mo. There were days of silent struggles, things that needed extra effort, and learning that came a little differently. But anak, kahit mahirap, you never gave up, and that for me is courage in its purest form. You are my greatest pride and joy, Pauline. You truly are. I may not always have the right words or the perfect answers, but I hope you always feel how much I love you. Sa totoo lang, ikaw ang pinakamasayang struggle ng buhay ko. Hindi siya madali, pero ikaw pa rin ang dahilan kung bakit ako napapangiti at bumabangon araw-araw. Pauline, you have grown in ways that go beyond what people see. You're kind, you're funny, you're expressive in your own unique way. And when you dance, or smile, or just quietly shine, you remind us that life doesn't have to be loud to be meaningful. To my family, maraming salamat sa inyo, sa mga auntie, uncle, mga pinsan at sa lahat ng tumulong, magbantay, nag-alaga o malalay. Hindi ko ito kakayanin mag-isa. This night is also for you. Kasi bawat hakbang niya ngayon, may halong gabay niyo yun. To her teachers, the Paras teachers, nasaan na? Nakalis na. Na hanggang ngayon, ramdam na ramdam ko ang love and support. Ate Ren, Ma'am Mori, thank you, Ma'am May Fernandez, to her ninangs and all the special people. Father Joe, salamat sa lahat ng dasal at gabay palagi. At sa lahat ng mga cotillion dancers nasaan na naghanda ng halos 2 months sa preparation para sa cotillion. Salamat sa inyo. Tito Mar, salamat. Na nagtiyaga. Thank you for being part of her world. Whether it was small moments, laughter, support, or simply believing in her, lahat yun may epekto. You helped shape her into the young lady she is today. You made her feel seen, celebrated, and accepted. At bilang magulang, yan ang pinakamasarap marinig at maramdaman. Pauline, ngayong 18 ka na, just be happy. Be grateful and thankful to God. Don't rush. Grow at your own pace. Keep dancing. Keep singing. At laging magtiwala sa Diyos. Keep finding your light and always remember, you are never alone. Kahit anong mangyari, andito kami ni Tatay, Kuya Ninoy at Kuya Dada na laging nagmamahal sa iyo. So tonight, this is your moment. Dance your heart out. Smile the way you always do. And know that you are so loved. Happy 18th birthday, Pauline. You are my miracle, my happiness, my whole heart. I love you, my bunso.
Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, please. Thank you so much. What a great message indeed from the beautiful mommy, Nanay, and